Hello everyone, it's me here Dheeraj. Uh, Today we are going to discuss about the basic of prototype. In this video we'll start with what is the in the previous video we have discussed about the constructor function. So this video is also related to that topic. Basically prototypes comes in the picture for resolving the problems that occurs with the constructor function. Basically constructor function comes in the picture for solving the problems of creating the multiple objects. Suppose we have if there is a company and there are multiple employees and we need to create the objects for each and every employee, then it will be difficult for creating a separate object for each and every employee. For that purpose, for resolving that problem, constructor function comes in the picture, and there are also some problems with the constructor functions. That's why we are using for the prototype. So basically, at first we will discuss about the problems of the constructor function. Then after, we will look for how to resolve that problem using the prototype, right? So this video will be very important for all of us. So just here I am going to create a constructor function for employee, right? And it is asking for name and salary, right? And this dot name equal to name, right? And this dot salary equal to salary, right? Suppose we want to print the details of this employee, and for that purpose we are going to print we are going to create a constructor function. So this dot print employee details, and here I am going to create a function. Basically it is an anonymous function, so there is no need to write the name of the function, right? And here I am going to I am going to return the message like this dot name has salary, and just I am printing to here the salary of the employee, this dot salary, right? Just like that. Now I am creating an instance for that object, John new employee, and here I am passing the name as a John, and then after it's salary. That will be looks like this. Okay. Now if I am going to print John dot print employee details, right? John has a salary, this. So everything is going right? Yeah. Now what is the problem with this? Basically during this case, if we the print employee details method will be created for all the instances that we are going to create in the future also. So if we do not want to use in that case also, this constructor function will be created. This method will be print employee details method will be created. with that instance. So in this case, we say we cannot be able to use the memory more efficiently. So for using the memory more efficiently, prototypes comes in the picture, right? So how we can be able to create this function with using the prototype? So for that purpose, we are uh, so this is all about I have printed that is if there is a method inside the constructor function, then we will create for every instance created using the constructor function, right? Just like we have did, we have created a method, and that will be applicable for every constructor function that we are going to that will be applicable for every instance that we are going to create with we are going to create with that constructor function, right? So this is all about the methods that how we can be able to create a method using inside the constructor function, and that will be applicable for every instances of that constructor function. Now uh, now now we are going to explain about how we can be able to create the prototype property of a constructor function, so that all the instances of the constructor function can share the same method, right? So for that purpose, if I am creating here another constructor function, and that will be a student, and they are asking for name and semester, right? And this dot name equal to name, this dot semester equal to semester, right? Now if we want to use a constructor function using the prototype, then for that purpose we need to write like this. At first we use the constructor function, then after we will write the prototype, and then after we will write the method that we are going to use, that we want to create, right? So suppose here we are going to create print student details, right? And here I am also using the anonymous function. And here I am going to return. I am using the backtick. Then after writing this dot name and each student of this dot semester, right? So this function will return there like this. Now console.log, I am going to print student. Sorry, I need to create a instance for this object. I need to create an instance for this constructor function. So I am writing here Nick is our student, and new student, and here I am passing Nick as a student name, and then after I am printing he is the student of 8th semester, right? Is the student of 8th semester. So console.log, and I'm just going to print Nick dot print student detail. Yes, Nick is the student of 8th semester. Similarly, if we are going to create another instance like Nikki and Nikki, and she is the student of 6th semester. So I'm just going to print Nikki. Yeah, Nikki is the student of 6th semester. So this is all about the basic concept of the prototype, that how we can be able to use the memory efficiently using the prototype while we are going to create a function inside the constructor function. So this is all about the basic of the prototype. In the next video we will come with prototypal chain and also apply the inheritance properties inside the JavaScript, right? So this is all about the today's video. In the next video we will come with prototypal chain and prototypal inheritance. So till now, goodbye and thanks for watching. If you find this video valuable, then please don't forget to like the video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.